I'm going to walk you through a few different ways to assemble these fall leaf stems. One is to add glue at the bottom and pinch the leaf around the wire. And sometimes I smooth out the glue with the wire so that it doesn't ooze out the edges. For this leaf, I'm actually adding wire into the middle, and this is 20 gauge wire, and I put some glue down and lay the stem on top. And then just make sure that it's really nice and sealed. Press it with your fingers and then open it up. If you have any wires showing, you can add a little bit more glue, but this gives some dimension and some movement to the leaf. And I did 3 leaves with that 20 gauge wire, and the wire's just a little bit longer than the leaf. And then I'll attach these 3 shorter leaves to an 18 gauge floral stem and use floral tape to bring it all together. So I did a total of 3, and once I'm good with the way it looks, then I get my floral tape and I use brown here, and I just get it started with the 3 together, and then I'm going to attach the 18 gauge wire. Now I am not very good at this. I haven't practiced it a ton, so that's why I'm going off to the side. It's because I was focusing so hard, but it's not too bad. You can just twist that floral tape right around the wire. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it adds a really pretty bunch of leaves. And then for this one, we are doing glue at the bottom, just pinching it, and that adds some pretty dimension. But sometimes you don't want the bulkiness of a leaf like that, depending on how you're using it. So if you want it to be flat, you can also just do hot glue around the edge and then down the middle. And the reason I do it down the middle is because I want the wire to lay flat into the glue. I want there to be glue touching the felt and the wire, and then I bring the other leaf on top. Just make sure it's lined up and press those 2 together. And these are some different fall leaf stems you can use.